Happy Thanksgiving. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. It's Thanksgiving in the United States. Actually, my favorite holiday. I think it's actually my favorite holiday because it's a day that we can sit back and think of and really appreciate the people, the places, the things in our life, the things that we're grateful for, the things that we appreciate. Today is day 1396 of What's She Up To Now, documenting the journey I've been taking over the last few years about transitioning. It originally started out as documenting the journey of transitioning from the brick and mortar corporate world of business to the online world of business. And actually over the last year or probably closer to 2 years now, it's pretty much been both online and offline businesses because I am intimately involved and interested in both. And so although I had the opportunity following my divorce in 2017 to come online and figure out how the online world worked, I still had connections to the offline world, and I didn't want to quit doing that altogether. I did for a year or two, and then I decided I really miss the real businesses, so I'm going to stay involved in them as well. So here I share what am I doing as I'm going on my personal business journey, because I've done a lot of stuff over the last 48 years running and operating different types of businesses in at least 27 different industries, 25 over a quarter century of that, also simultaneously working in corporate America for some of the coolest companies on the planet. I mean, and they still exist today, of course. Big name companies, like top 5 companies in the world. So it's fun to share the experiences I have in those companies, as well as running my own businesses, the philosophy of and how you look at your job differently when you have a side gig or a side business. Number one, you treat your job better and you are a better employee because you understand what it's like to own your own business. So you have a much more ownership mentality and understand the workings of business, etc. So topic for another day. So what am I working on? Money idiom for today was mint condition. So shared that on Supersize Your Business. Then cooking up a storm for Thanksgiving. I haven't cooked for Thanksgiving for a long time, so I'm really having a blast with it. It's fun and exciting. Made a couple things last night, got up this morning, made a bunch of things, which is why I'm making my videos a little later today. But it's a holiday here in the United States, so I figure I can make them whenever I want. Guess what? Every day, I figure I can make them whenever I want. It's up to me. But I want to let you know how thankful I am for each and every person that has ever come in contact with me, that has ever been a part of my life, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Even the people that challenged me or made my life miserable, I am even thankful and grateful for them, because everything I've experienced up until now has made and continues to make me a better version of myself and make me who I am today. So thank you, whether you made my life miserable or not, and you know who you were or are. And thank you to the people that have made my life a blessing and made it so much better, and have graced me with their presence and their influence and their impact. Our No Nonsense November today was talking about the people that we appreciate, who we're thankful for, and what we're really thankful for. I talked about gratitude on day 8, but I think that gratitude is things that we're grateful for in our life. It can be anything, any everyday thing, but it's more things. And to me, being thankful and who do we appreciate is more about the people that have had an impact on us and that we're so blessed to have involved in our life. And I already sent some messages to people this morning just to say, hey, do you know how much I appreciate you and I love you? And thank you for being a part of my life. What else have we got today? No Nonsense Get Up and Go Challenge will start in a few days already. Geez, it's less than a week till December. And we will be doing the 10th free Get Up and Go Challenge in the month of December. And it teaches everyone in it. I participate, and everyone who participates for free for 30 days learns a framework called the SOAP framework. I call it the SOAP framework. I got my little bars of soap here. And it's a framework that we can use to install in our subconscious to guarantee that we have better results after any change or challenge, or we make better choices and decisions after any change or challenge that impacts us. And guess what? We're having changes and challenges in our life every single day, all the time, all day, every day. Things are coming up, right? We have to deal with them. So it deals with the framework of the process we use to deal with any change or challenge that comes up. And then we practice it for each different area and aspect of our life. We install it the process in our subconscious, so it automatically works as easy as breathing without us having to consciously think about it. Now, we can consciously think about it for a bigger decision, for a bigger challenge, but we don't have to. And we know, we have the confidence in knowing and the certainty in knowing that we are always making the best choice for us at any given time because we've already put this process in play in our life. It's like creating any new habit or routine that is for our benefit. Any habit we create, it's like brushing your teeth every day. Brushing your teeth every day ensures that you have better dental health than if you didn't. Using the SOAP framework, installing it in your subconscious guarantees you'll have better results for every change or challenge you experience from this point on than if you didn't. All right, that's all I have today. Have an absolutely amazing Thanksgiving, and I will, of course, be with you again tomorrow. And I am thankful that I am here to do these videos. Have an awesome day. Any questions, hit me up. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Happy Thanksgiving.